What is up, guys? Bonjour, this is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos. And we are looking at how to pronounce the name of one of the most famous estates and chateaux in the Madiran appellation. Yes, we are in the southwestern part of France with rich, dense, powerful and very tannic wines made predominantly from the Tannat grape variety. Yes, this is one of the two arguably most famous of all chateaux in the area that are both owned by Brumont or Vignoble Brumont, Brumont Vineyards, Chateau Montus, and this chateau that is called Chateau Bouscassé. How do you say it with the typical French pronunciation? Chateau Bouscassé, Chateau Bouscassé, Chateau Bouscassé. In French, Chateau Bouscassé Madiran wine. If you want to learn more about how to pronounce Madiran and Tannat, the grape behind Chateau Bouscassé, here are videos that you may want to watch next. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir.